Stop drowning in endless email chains and finally wrangle your team's tasks with Basecamp assignments. First, locate the Assign button within your Basecamp project. It's usually found near the specific task or to-do list item you want to delegate. Click on it to open the assignment creation window. Next, select the team member responsible for completing the task in the Assign To field. You can choose one person or multiple people, depending on the task's requirements. Set a clear deadline in the due date field to ensure timely completion. Click on the calendar icon to choose a specific date. Now, use the Add a Note field to provide detailed instructions, context, or any necessary resources for the assignee. The more information, the better. Attach any relevant files, documents, or images to the assignment by clicking the document or image icons. This keeps everything in one place for easy access. Finally, double-check your notification settings to ensure the assignee receives an email and a Basecamp notification. This prevents tasks from slipping through the cracks. Click the Create Assignment button and boom. Your task is now officially assigned in Basecamp, keeping everyone on the same page and projects moving forward.